Surprise! Hello, Richard. A bird tells me that it's your birthday today, and I would like to greet you on your birthday. How young you are, Richard? Okay, forget about that. But I want to greet you happy birthday in behalf of Charles and Sweetie and my baby Rocky. My baby Rocky. Okay. We would like to greet you a happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. The Bible says in Proverbs 37:4, delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Okay? I know that you're longing for someone. Just remember the promises of God. Okay? If you're going to acknowledge Him and delight yourself to Him, whatever prayer, whatever needs, whatever things that you want in your life, at the right time, He will give that to you. Okay? Happy birthday, bro, Nate, buddy, and everything. God bless you, God bless.